So hi guys, today we are at Madhuram Furniture that is here since long in Rajkot. So today we are doing a nice interview and a case study with Mr. Vishal Bhai. So he is Mr. Vishal Bhai. He will tell us about many things. So I know you all are very excited about this. So let's start the small interview that we are planning. He'll tell the whole story, how this all started, everything. So Vishal bhai, firstly, how are you?
I'm very fine.
Okay. So the first question is, who got the idea for this business?
It's a quite long story. Actually, my grandfather has started this business. 30 years ago, he has started by selling a folding chair. So by that, he has started this business, and from gradually we started furniture items, and then we have moved on this swings item. So right now we are the master in the swings. We are keeping all types of swings, single swings, tent swings, outdoor swings, everywhere, and we are also exporting swings everywhere in the world. So we have a huge amount of demand in the swings market, and we have a huge name. But actually, we are talking about in the retail market. Actually, we are doing a lot of supplying work in the institutes and the government. We have main business of the government supply and the institute
So
supply.
the main business is the government contracts that
Yes.
you end the institutes like schools and offices.
School, colleges. But right now we are a big shortfall in the demand for the school furniture.
I think due to this COVID reasons
Yes.
it may be. Yeah, but we are all surely positive that there would be a good
Yes.
morning after a good awakening. So yeah, that was a nice answer to the first question. So next question is, what made you to come into this business? I know it is a family business running. You are maybe the third generation. So what is it that you got motivated to come into this business?
Actually, I was studying in the Ahmedabad. So there actually I got the scope for the furniture market because of the case studies we have made in the college. So there only I got that there is a huge opportunity in this business. And actually my father was currently running only this business. So I joined, and continuous I make efforts to make the huge changes in this, and keep learning day to day, on the day to day basis. Actually we are all learning from day to day, because there is no any other fixed schedule that this you can do this, there is a success.
Yeah.
So actually we are all learning every day, and I joined, and my father also keep motivated me to keep this business running and to make the huge success every day. But there are also some challenges, so we are all facing the challenges, and we have to move on that challenges.
Okay, so yeah, I can agree to you being in a business, similar to you. I can also agree to you on that. So now, question ahead as we go. So we got the overview why you started the business, what was the idea. So now the thing is that what are the products precisely that you offer? All the product range that now is available.
Yes, we are offering every furniture items. We are not offering the furnishings item. We are keeping every product in the furniture: sofas, dining table, bedroom furniture, office furniture, and the outdoor furniture, and also swings. We can include swings. Swings.
Yeah. So one of the we can say that one of the flagship or the main products are the swings.
Yes.
And I have also seen visiting the whole premises that you have many different and innovative products and all this thing. So the thing you said that you need to keep on innovating.
Yes.
Yeah, that I can see. I can practically see it in the showroom. Yeah. Now one more question regarding this. What is the secret ingredient? You know, there always, if there is a cook who is famous, there is a secret ingredient behind it. So what is the secret behind the success of this Madhuram Furniture, where today we are sitting on the second floor and this is having four floors
Yes.
and also one ground floor, so 5 floors of a showroom, and it is so big. I would personally tell everybody to visit once. So now we are asking the question that what is the secret behind this success?
Actually, the main secret is the transparency. We are keeping the transparency with everyone who is coming here, and also to the customers. We are openly minded that we can show them the whole manufacturing process. So there is no any hidden thing. So mainly in the furniture market, there is a big issue is that no one is keeping transparency, because everyone is believing that they are showing this, and after the customer delivered, there is some issue in the product because of the quality.
So there is a saying that the elephant's teeth are so different, and they are different. Yeah, we can agree to that. And one more question. This is something that a businessman would always ask. So, what do you prefer, quality or quantity?
Actually, both are important, on my point of view.
But if you are making a product for a customer, so what is the important thing?
Actually, we all are focusing on the quality. But actually, what the issue is that if you focus on the quality, the price factor will be there, because the customer can't be affordable to give that price. So we have to maintain both the quantity and the quality. In quantity, we have to make the quality, so that the customers can afford it and can have the best quality of the product. And also we have to give the new in the that. By focusing on the quality and the quantity, we have to bring some new ones, new ideas with new product, with new innovation and the new thinking. All are important. Actually, all are important to this.
So equilibrium should be maintained in everything. One thing more can even incur losses. Even you can lose the customers.
So if you focus on the one thing, we cannot achieve the success. What we want to have the target. So by focusing on everything, we can achieve success.
Now, one of the things is, what is the USP of your business? Unique selling proposition. Means that what is the main thing the customer would attract to you? Yeah, I want to go to Madhuram Furniture because they have this thing. One of the important things that attracts the customers.
Mainly we attract customers. We are focusing mainly on the new products, new designs, and the main unique selling proposition you can say is that we have the whole varieties at the same place, service, and the main quality. And the main factor is that we have the old designs are new one, not old one. So every customer can get a new choices, new varieties, and the new selection.
So now one thing I would ask first, that what is, as you said that you had studied from Ahmedabad, so what was the education precisely?
Actually, I have studied a BBA from HL College.
Okay.
It was a great experience. So there only I have learned many lessons of my life, because where we live on our legs, we can learn many new things.
You are alone there in a hostel. There, you become self-dependent. So now my next question is based on this only. Firstly, do you want your next generation to come in this business or to make a new venture? As you made a new venture out of it, staying in this business but expanded it. So do you want your next generation, your child, to be in this business or to do something new or to expand in this?
Actually, that is a very big question for me, because right now I am newly married. So right now I am focusing on myself only. I want to progress in this more and more. I want to make this market a very big one. I want to explore new opportunities that I also don't know. So right now I'm not aware about the fully market, because I am a newly one. I have the 3 years experience. So I cannot say the future about it. Actually, I am also learning new opportunities, new learnings every day.
Exactly what my question I would explain you. that when you were into this business to get some experience, when your father was I think now you are handling the business.
Yes.
When your father was handling, you should have thought that I would bring this new, I would bring this changes. And he also would be expecting something from you. I'll give you an example. Like I am also right now going to my business to learn. My father is the one who is handling, so he has some expectations from me that he will do these changes. Even I can do the changes, or he wants me that I be the pioneer in this industry. While I have some expectations and I have some thinking that I will change X thing, I will change the Y thing. So like that. For example, you are doing something. Would you think that your next generation would have this? That was my question. What type of values he or she should have? It is just random that you can imagine.
Actually, mainly my father wants from me that I have to expand this business from one empire to the many empires. Like we should not focus on this one showroom only. We should have many branches, many product varieties, many display centers. So right now there is a lot of competition. So right now the digital market is also very expanding. So we should also focus on that market only. We are not focusing on that market right now. We are not selling online anywhere in this market. So firstly, my opportunity is that only. Then second one, we should expand more showrooms, more display centers. We should bring more new innovative products, because these products are innovative, but there are more innovation in this world.
Surely.
So we have to update on the day-to-day basis.
Surely. That was one of the good answers which I expected. One of the last questions as we are moving to the end of the interview. What is you are being in this business since 3 years? You have been in this business. So, what do you think? What is the most demanded product by your customers? That out of, for example, 100 customers, X number of customers has demanded only one product. Like what products we are talking sofa at all. Then you have this swings. So they are a group. So that is a general thing. You need what is the best demanded product of your showroom?
Right now, best demanded product is the swings. Because of this pandemic, everyone schedule is like that. Everyone schedule is so fast and so what we say that everyone has more time, family time actually. So in family time, they have to spend more hours in the home only.
Yes.
So they tend to purchase the swings right now. More and more swings are purchasing right now because of this pandemic. And this pandemic, we also got a shortfall in the school furniture. But on the opposite side, we also get the rise in the swings because of this pandemic. So demand, what I said that demand changes from the situations, from this every market. So right now we are very high demanded in the swings and the sofas.
Okay, that was one of the means he is saying that he is adapting to the situations. There is a thing that if you are not updated, you are outdated. That is a saying. So we can see that Madhuram Furniture is updating itself. Mr. Vishal Bhai is updating his products in a very good way. Yeah. So that is it. And last two questions which I have. First is we have got the info that you also have a production outlet.
Yes.
So I think 90% of the products you produce by yourself, right? Only 10% are imported.
No, we are manufacturing, we are importing also, and we are outsourcing also. Some products we are outsourcing also. Give contracts to the other one.
Okay.
Some swings are imported, some sofas are coming imported. Both we are 90%, yes, it is correct. We are manufacturing. We have the manufacturing unit here only.
Where is it?
After 3 seats.
Okay.
From showroom we have the 3 seats. 3 streets after we have the factory.
So if you are an entrepreneur or if you are a person who is a businessman, there is a saying when you study. There is a saying that you should always keep the resources in a place that it gives you less cost. So here we can see the transportation cost is also less, as it is only 3 streets away. Even the other costs are less. So that is the ideal use. And last, what are the future plans?
Future plans, we have the future plans that we want to enter in the more and more this institute supply market. We want to make a new showrooms and want to develop a new product and want to more innovated in the eco-friendly products. There are products which we are not aware about right now due to our mindset. So we want to bring a new eco-friendly products like that that helps both customers, the society, the environment, and the people around us. So we want to bring that eco-friendly products.
And when we went to see everything, we came to know that you are now you are going into a new market and you are bringing some new product. I don't remember. Can you tell us what product you are bringing new?
Right now we have bring a new swings in that PVD coating type. So the PVD coating is that whatever coating we want that comes. So we have bring a new swing that is totally rose gold type, totally plated. That we can say that in the gold, the rose gold type coming, the gold plated swings. That is a very new product. That is very looking fantastic, and we are bringing a new outdoor furniture items. We have many new outdoor sofas and outdoor swings. We are also have the new designs in the office furnitures. Some new designs we have developed.
Okay, sir, it was great talking to you, having such good informations about your business. And one more thing, that it was very good of you to give us your valuable time for this interview. And I personally thank you for giving me such information. Thank you very much.
Welcome.